Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can easily change the side light of your vehicle. As you see here, the side light at the right side of the car is not working, so we are going to fix it now. In this video, this is a BMW 1 F20 series. I bought H6W 12 volt bulbs for around 12 euros from online shop. Please refer to the specification of your vehicle before buying one. When you open the engine hood, open the cover of the headlight unit by turning it counterclockwise. You can see here the holder and the bulb, which I have already removed. It is very tricky to take it out without any tools. So you have to grab the long tail of the holder and gently pull it out from the headlight unit. Here I just showed you the broken wire. Now grab the bulb and twist it clockwise to remove it from the holder. So now here you can clearly see the broken wire. This is the holder. The long tail you have to grab somehow with your fingers. So here you have to be a little bit creative and just keep trying until you can take this holder out. Be careful. These plastics are actually very robust, but you may break it also. So I used my fingers just like this to pull it out, and it worked pretty fine for me. So now what you see here is the holder with the notches inside and the knob, which we have to slide into the headlight unit. So these are the bulbs which I bought from the internet. So again, H6W 12 volt for my vehicle. Please check yours. And you can see this is a one contact bulb bonnet kind of thing with two knobs. So you push it into the holder like this. You have to align the knobs and just firmly turn it. It will have a very firm grip. And now again, play with it. You have to push the whole unit, bulb and the holder, like this in that hole at the center of the image. You have to keep trying and be careful. And there's a kind of grip, you will feel it. If you push it, there will be a kind of resistance. First I was trying with my left hand, and then I switched to right hand because it was just handy for me holding the camera and doing it. Now you can see there, it is already inside. So it looks like this from outside. I'm done here. Now tight the cover, close the hood, and then start the engine. And here you see it's working. Please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.